Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a reaction called Hofmann rearrangement. This reaction is also known as Hofmann-Bromamide reaction or Hofmann-Bromamide degradation reaction. In this reaction, a primary amide get converted into a primary amine, and this reaction is carried out in presence of bromine and aqueous or ethanolic alkali. Okay, and this amide can be aliphatic or aromatic amide. Let us see an example. CH3CONH2, this is ethanamide. This ethanamide on treatment with bromine and alkali like NaOH, we get CH3NH2 as the main product, and this is the primary amine with one carbon less as compared to the starting amide, and this is methanamine. And the side product formed are Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, then 2 molecules of NaBr, and again 2 molecules of water. Okay, aromatic amide also give this rearrangement reaction. Let us see one example. C6H5CONH2, this is benzamide on treatment with bromine. Now let us take another strong base which is KOH. So we get C6H5NH2 as the main product, which is nothing but aniline. Along with we get here K2CO3 plus 2 KBr and 2 molecules of water. Okay, now let us see the mechanism of this Hofmann-Bromamide reaction. Let us see the mechanism. Okay, let us take a general amide, that is RCO, represented by RCONH2, which on first deprotonation, so one proton is get deprotonated from this NH2 group, and we get RC double bond O. Here we have NH, negative charge. Okay, and this anion attack on bromine. Let us write like this, Br. We get RC double bond O, NH, this NH subtract this Br, and we get RCO, NHBr, and this is called bromamide. This is called bromamide, and this again undergo deprotonation, OH minus. We have this proton get deprotonated, and we get, so here one molecule of H2O is eliminated, and we get RC double bond O, N minus Br. Okay, and this electron shift to this bond and this electron shift to oxygen, then we get RCO minus double bond N, then we have a Br here. And when this negative come back to this bond, this R group get migrated to nitrogen, and this Br get eliminated. So we have minus Br, then R. This R is going to attach to this nitrogen, so N, then we have a double bond here, then C, again double bond, and this is called isocyanate. This is called isocyanate. And this isocyanate is then undergo hydrolysis to give the amine as the product. This water molecule attack here, and we get R N double bond C O minus and we have OH2 plus. And this undergo an intramolecular proton exchange. One proton is get exchanged to this minus and we get R, N double bond, C, OH, OH. So this is a carbon with a 2 OH group. So you can call it as a gem diol, geminal diol, gem diol. And this then undergo tautomerization. Okay, this hydrogen comes here and this double bond goes to this carbon and oxygen bond. So we get, after tautomerization we have nitrogen, then this hydrogen comes to nitrogen. Here now we have a single bond, then C, double bond, and here we have OH. And this is called carbamic acid. This is called carbamic acid, and this carbamic acid undergo decarboxylation. So here this bond shift to here and this to here. Then we have RNH minus and this proton get attached to this nitrogen and we get RNH2, our primary amine, plus we have carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide dissolves in the medium to form the corresponding carbonate. So this is the primary amine product. So this is all about Hofmann-Bromamer reaction. Thank you.